Looking for Alex and Annie grandmother ideas for this Christmas? Luckily, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below and choose your favorite one. Number 1, Alex and Annie, Women's Because I Love You. Grandmother Charm Bangle Bracelet, Rafaelian Gold, Expandable, by Alex and Annie. Number 2, Wise, Generous, Proud. A grandmother's eternal love carries on from generation to generation. Associated with Mother Mary, the lily is a virtuous flower that stands for dignity and peace. Majestically beautiful, give or wear the grandmother charm. To pay tribute to the honored matriarch whose pride and calming kindness is infinite. Another great product by Alex and Annie. Number 3, the youthful light of the family. A granddaughter is the epitome of pride and joy. She instrumentally carries on the family legacy into the future, as the living fruit of the family tree. A symbol of everlasting love, the apple blossom is emblematic of sacred roots, the strength of connection and femininity in its purest form. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and ideas. Get yours now.